Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I make stewed beans. These stewed beans, it's very easy to make and it is very yummy. When I say it's yummy, it's yummy. So I am going to use beans, black eye beans, which I've washed already. Wash yours if you want to make these. I have washed these. I'm going to now put them in the pot. I am going to use my pressure pot because I prefer using it and out so that my beans does not break. So now I'm going to allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After cooking the beans, I sieved the water, rinsed it, and I'm going to use onion. And this is mixed paprika. I blended roughly, and this is the beans that I'm going to use. So now I'm going to add oil in the pot, allow it to boil for some time, add onions and allow the onions to saute. I'm going to turn them, allow it to cook for some time, then add the paprika mix. You can use any type of thing you want, but I prefer using paprika. Then whilst it's cooking, I'll add Maggi to eat. I added Maggi to eat, curry powder, thyme. I added parsley leaf too, and added more stocky powder. So I'm going to now turn them and allow it to cook and simmer for some time, for almost 5 or thereabout. Now I'm adding the beans and I am going to stir. I'll stir it gradually to avoid the beans from breaking. That is why I like to use it. I like to cook it on the pressure cook. So gradually add the beans and let them cook. And now I am adding fish, which is optional. If you have fish, add fish, your meat, or anything, or any kind of protein you want. So I prefer using this fish, mackerel fish. Now I'm going to turn them and allow it to cook. So I'm going to allow it to cook for like 5 minutes because it's already ready. And whilst it's boiling, I am going to cover it, allow it to cool down, and I am going to serve it with yam. You can eat it with rice because it looks like stew. This recipe is very, very, very delicious. I promise you, it is so good and healthy. If you are bloating, you will like it because you have washed away all the beans, the water, and serve with your rice or yam. Thank you for watching.